This is it. Now we are headed to Porto, Portugal. Arguably Europe's most romantic city. We'll see. Okay, so we are checking out of our Airbnb, and one of the things I learned from my wife is to leave places as clean, as nice, if not better or nicer than you found them. So when we check out, you know, we make everything nice. So that the owner doesn't have as much work to do. But everyone's packed up. I think everyone started packing last night. I started packing this morning. I need about an hour to pack just to make sure to get everything together. Everyone needs about an hour. Family needs an hour to get everything together. But everything is moving like clockwork. I came down too far. But now we are headed to Porto, Portugal. And we're gonna see some more of this beautiful country. Let's do it. She's up front. She's up front, checking it out. Is that the way up? Oh, it's down to 0. You know what? We can go out and around. Go ahead, little lady. Thank you, sir. Mm-hmm. Huh? You're exhausted?
No, it's the exhaust or somebody in the car.
Oh, yeah. Okay, straight ahead, guys. So we've arranged pickup to go to the train station because today we're taking the train from Lisbon to Porto, Portugal. Bom dia. Good morning. Oh, guys, she's gonna be late. We did it, guys. We did it. Good job, everybody. Great job, mommy.
You will look happy. So I know that you've been enjoying yourself.
Yes.
Well,
Yes. This looks just like the Golden Gate Bridge.
And then the same one that did there, did here.
The Golden Gate Bridge.
Yes. So it's the same man that built it there, he came and built it here.
That's very cool.
Same connection.
Sure.
So for 35 euros that I pay on every consultation, I can get an appointment in these hospitals and get seen straight away. So that's more or less on the same, same week. So you just pay that 35 euros.
We're heading into the train station. It's about a 3-hour ride from here to Porto. These bags are heavy. So,
no, baby, over here. Departures. 12 New Porto Cabana.
yeah.
Line 1. I was gonna see. I'm gonna ask them to print the text. Did you need to print them or do digital?
The number 1, okay. Yeah, it was hot in that van, man. Oh,
That's
okay.
not boarding. Yeah, I got us a nice one. It's got Wi-Fi on it.
Yeah,
It's 3 hours.
it's not bad at all.
It's the Alpha, the AF one. Now, I don't know what's gonna happen on the next two, but we gonna be together.
That's it. We're gonna be together.
We're gonna be together. And Dad can fight. Huh? And Dad can fight if somebody tries to steal us from our chair. I'm not a fighter, I'm a runner.
I'll help you.
I'd say I'm backup. Say backup if you need me. Because if you don't say backup as soon as he comes towards you, I'm most likely already gonna be gone.
No. If someone swings on me, that automatically is me saying backup.
Well, maybe we'll help you first, then I'll. You know what I mean? Because I'm not trying to fight. If that's fair.
No, that's not fair. If someone fights me, your brother, your sister, or your mom, you're automatically a part of that fight.
Well, no, see, like if it's Burke or Mom, if it's Burke or Mom, I got you.
If it's Burke or Mom?
If it's Burke or Mom, I'll fight. Maybe, well, I'm gonna have to watch for a little bit, see what you can do. Yeah, you know what I do? I'll be like,
If they have Skittles or like fruit snacks, hook us up.
you want something?
So the plan is we're taking a train to Porto and we're spending a few days exploring that beautiful romantic city and make some more memories as a family. Thanks for rolling with us, hanging out with us. Some people say Porto is Portugal's and arguably Europe's most romantic city. We'll see. Motion sickness on this thing is real. I forgot about that. I was trying to do some PhD work. I was trying to work on my PhD, write my dissertation, but the motion sickness on here is pretty rough, pretty bad. So I'm just trying to be as still as possible. And we got about an hour and a half left before we get to Porto. So just be still, chill. My wife is booking tickets to go up to the Eiffel Tower in a couple weeks and to go into the Louvre. So that's exciting. Watch your step. Watch your step, little lady. Watch your step, Chris. Watch your step, mama. Okay, go around that way, buddy. You got your phone, Pug? You got your phone? Yeah. Alright. Made it to Porto, Portugal. Can take this mask off. The train ride, the motion sickness went away once I sat still. Maybe my body adjusted. So now we're gonna go catch an Uber and Uber to our Airbnb, settle in. All right, we're turning around because there's no services or anything down this way. So maybe we'll find some help on the other side. What do you say?
Rent a few train places inside real quick.
Oh, sure.
Let me just look real quick.
Go ahead. Okay. Let me check. Great. Okay. 69.
Right here. Here. Yeah, I figured that out. In an hour.
It's like you're dragging a dead body.
I do it every day.
You do, you're tough.
Yeah, and you know smoke comes out of bodies because it's cold. When you stab them in November, when you open somebody's body.
Wow.
That's cool.
Remind me to lock my door tonight
Why?
when I go to sleep. I don't know. We made it, Chris. We made it to our Airbnb here in Porto. Well, hello. I need to sit down. All right. Okay. We made it. And it's good to be here. It is great to be here.